Morning, y'all. So we're about to head out for the first time today. It's Monday, so no more weekend lockdown. We have a few things we need to get done. We need to go to a place called Gratis to get a little bit of toiletries, so like deodorant and stuff like that. And then we gonna get something to eat, and we need to head to Starbucks to get some more grounded coffee beans for our French press. So
find a butcher shop or a grocery store to get some meat.
Yeah, we need to get some meat to cook. So we'll either go to find a butcher shop or go to the grocery store around by Galata Tower. I think that'll be the best thing to do. Go to Socks.
A grocery shop. I mean a butcher shop down by the cafe where I get the brownie for you the other day.
Yeah, so we'll take y'all along with us as we explore and show y'all how it look today without the weekend lockdown. But yeah, so we're excited to get out the house. So we go to Turkcell, reload our data, and then probably go to the ATM, get the coffee, and then get something to eat. And then get something to eat, and then try to find some meat. Yeah, so I think that's the order we'll do it in. So yeah, we'll take y'all along and show what we get up to.
Şuradan yukarı çık. Buradan.
Çok şey var ya.
Sen kazamazsın, kazılı kuyu. Kalan olmadan bir kere sinan olmadı. Kalan öyle ben, giden öyle sen, bu gidişle ben.
Pratica fino a latte di al.
Teşekkürler. That was,
What's on it?
yeah, the invisible one. I think the regular one. Hey guys, so far we went to Turkcell and I got 25 gigs for 80 Turkish lira, and Darian got 20 gigs for 65.
Yeah, she said that my phone number only allowed 20 gigs of data, which
Maximum,
is
yeah.
maximum, which is strange because I'm positive. And Antalya, I put 25 on. But
And then Antalya, I put 20 on, so it's strange that it swapped.
yeah, and then so we got the data, we got the cash that we need to pay our rent for the Airbnb.
Yeah.
We got the coffee grounded. We went to the store for pick up some toiletries. And now we're headed to get something to eat. And
Probably go home and eat it, and then go down to the butcher shop to get some meat.
yeah.
So yeah, or we may see if we hop in a bakery or something to pick something up, but we'll let y'all know what we end up doing. So yeah, so far it's been a successful day. Everything that we need is open, so yeah.
And it seems to be a fair amount of people out and about walking around and, you know, just doing what they have to do.
Yeah, not as much as when we were first here, but a lot more than like yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll see y'all soon.
See ya. What's this one? Tavuk chicken?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm just asking what it is. Oh, this looks like eggplant. We went back to the restaurant where we went to the other night. I can't remember the name, but
Picnic coffee or something like that.
picnic cocktail, I think. The food is really good and reasonable, so we went back. Got some Turkish rice with some gravy from some beef that they had, roasted chicken, an extra side of Turkish rice, and then some wings and mash. And then Zanya got the same roasted chicken and Turkish rice. So we're about to eat this and just relax for a bit
And upload the vlogs.
and upload the vlogs for you guys. So stay tuned. You can look out for that.